Hello, my name is Abu Akil bin Murad, matrix number DE2096, and now I'm going to explain the single line diagram of our project. So first, from the main supply, it will go to the cutout and neutral link, to the kilowatt hour meter, and then to the main switch distribution board fuse, which is rated 60 ampere. And this fuse is connected to the cutoff fuse and SPD and to the ground. And then connect. Uh, it will be divided to two sections, which is for the first for the lighting and fan, and second for the switch socket outlet. For the first, RCCB is rated 60 ampere with status 100 milliampere sensitivity, and for the first 6 ampere switch is connected to one ceiling fan, two fluorescent lamps, one wall globe lamp, and two chandelier lamps, which is located at the porch and living room. The second 6 ampere switch is connected to 4 ceiling fan, 4 fluorescent lamp, 1 globe lamp, 4 filament lamps, which is located. The lot is located at the master bedroom, master bedroom toilet, reading room, hall, and dining hall. And the third 6 ampere switch is connected to 2 ceiling fan, 2 fluorescent lamps, 1 globe lamp, and 1 smoke detector, which is located at bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, and toilet number 2, as well as the kitchen. Then for a 320 ampere rated switch is connected to 1 HP air conditioner, and then 120 ampere rated is connected to water heater. For the water heater, there is an additional earth leakage protection rated 10 milliampere. And for this cable is 2.5 millimeter square PVC plus CPC. As for the water heater, we increase the diameter to 4 millimeter square PVC plus CPC cable. And then for the other section is the switch socket outlet section. The RCCB is rated 60 ampere with 30 milliampere earth leakage protection. The maximum for 20 ampere, the maximum switch socket outlets of 30 ampere rated, the maximum switch socket outlet is 2. So first, since we have 10 30 ampere switch socket outlet in our project, we divided it like this. First, 20 ampere is divided to 2. Second, to 2 is also to 30 ampere switch socket outlet, and the third is connected to one notch, and then for 32 ampere rated switch, it can be connected until 5 notch 30 ampere switch socket outlet. For the cable is all 2.5 millimeter square PVC plus CPC, and this is means it is connected with radial. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Brendan, and I will be explaining the load table. So here we can see there are 12 different types of load. So the first one is the chandelier lamp with the dimmer, and we have two of it, and each is 500 watt, and we can see the current consumption for both is 4.35 ampere, and using the diversity factor 0.66, we get to estimate the current consumption is 2.87. And for the 1 feet for fluorescent lamp, we have 8, and each consume 14 watt. And for 1 feet for fluorescent lamp, we have 0.88 ampere, which is estimated to consume 0.58 ampere at 0.66 diversity factor. And for the globe lamps, we have two normal globe lamps and one wall globe lamp. And then The normal globe lamps consume 50 watt each, which gives us an estimate current consumption of 0.29 ampere, and for the wall globe is 0.14 ampere. For the filament lamps we have 4, each at 40 watt, and the estimate current consumption is 0.46 ampere. For the ceiling fans we have 7, each operating at 100 watt and is estimated to give 2.01 ampere. To use 2.01 ampere for all 7 ceiling fans. For the spark detector we are using diversity factor of 1 since it is operating at all times, and it is consuming 4.4 milliampere estimate. And for the socket outlet 13 amps, for 500 watt we have 21.74 ampere for estimated current consumption. Then for the water heater it is operating at 4500 watt and diversity factor 1, so it's 19.57 ampere. For the telephone outlet socket outlet it is 0.1 ampere estimated current, and the air conditioner is, we have 3 of it all at 1 horsepower, which is 746 watt, which gives us for the diversity factor the first one is 1 and the other 2 is 0.4, so which gives us 5.83 estimated current ampere. So our current size total current estimated current is 53.59 ampere, so we will be using MCB of 60 ampere, and for RCCB1 60 ampere 100 milliamp, while the RCCB2 is 60 ampere 30 milliamp. That's all from me, thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. I would like to continue our group presentation for the part of discussion. Why we choose this arrangement of appliance, because as we know majority house in Malaysia are basically the socket for 13 ampere and switch will be put at the same place besides each other, okay. And then we also know that the for 15 ampere socket outlet for aircon will be replaced at the beside of the aircon, which is close to the ceiling, so it will make easier for contractor or anybody who connect the aircon to the socket. Okay, there's also for the switch, lamp switch or fan switch will be put at the socket for much easier to connect, and then it will be easier to connect the wire, and then will come from power supply or main distribution will go through on the same pipe of PVC, and then will connect to the socket and also for the switch. Okay, that's why we arrange this type for socket and switch. Okay, as we can see in our floor plan has some of 2 socket. I put bots I put 2 socket 13 amperes, because as we know for the 1 circuit of socket outlet 13 amperes should be around 2 or 3 units only. Okay, for example, if we use the MCB 20 ampere, so for the 20 ampere MCB will connect with the only 2 socket 13 socket outlet 13 ampere. If we put 3 or 4 it will be short circuit, or maybe will be burn or something else. Okay, that's all for me, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fikri Adi bin Spawi. My matrix number is AE190041. I will continue the discussion about the floor plan that have been discussed from the Badrul. So we choose AutoCAD as our platform to design this. AutoCAD had been chosen as the platform to design the floor plan. Electrical floor plans are frequently designed and drafted using AutoCAD, an accurate piece of software. Designing an electrical floor plan requires precise measurements and calculation, which AutoCAD provides. Additionally, it makes it possible for you to quickly and easily make changes to the design, guaranteeing that The final plan is precise and error-free. This software also was well known in many industries and is a cost-effective tool for designing electrical floor plans. There are numerous resources including tutorials, templates, and symbol libraries that can assist you in getting started quickly and effectively. That's why we use this software to make our design more easily and precise. That's all. Thank you.